OKR, or Objectives and Key Results, is a popular framework for setting and tracking goals within an organization. The main idea behind OKRs is to define clear objectives, which are the goals you want to achieve, and key results, which are the specific, measurable actions that will help you reach those objectives. The concept of OKRs was introduced by Andy Grove at Intel in the 1970s. Grove's approach to management was detailed in his book, High Output Management, where he laid out the principles of OKRs. OKRs were later popularized by John Doerr, a computer engineer working under Andy Grove's mentorship. Doerr introduced OKRs to Google in 1999, and since then, many successful companies like Adobe, Google, and Netflix have adopted the OKR framework to drive their growth and success. But what are OKRs exactly? Let's start with the objectives. Objectives should be significant, concrete, action-oriented, and most importantly, inspirational. In other words, objectives are, where do you want to go? On the other hand, key results are how to get there. But what makes good key results? They have to be specific and time-bound, aggressive yet realistic, measurable and verifiable. OKRs are usually set each quarter for every level of the organization. The company sets high-level strategic OKRs at the start of every year. However, strategic OKRs should not be set in isolation without the team's input. After this, teams develop their OKRs and decide how they can have the biggest impact. It is a good idea to track results and actions through weekly check-ins on a team level. For companies who use quarterly OKRs, it is standard to evaluate them about halfway through a quarter. Let's say your company has the ambition to become the #1 work management software choice for North America. This is a clear company objective that should be followed by a series of key results. For example, increase the website traffic from North America by 20%, increase the number of leads from North America by 15%. Earn at least 100 positive reviews from North American clients. See, these key results give direction and serve like milestones to success. With OKRs, everyone in the organization is aligned with the company's goals and priorities. Anyone can see how their work contributes to the larger goals and understand the progress being made. All this transparency fosters a culture of collaboration and creates a sense of unity and direction, allowing teams to focus on what truly matters. By setting ambitious and inspirational OKRs, companies can push themselves to achieve remarkable results. They become more transparent, focused, and aligned, allowing employees to clearly see why their contributions matter and providing a sense of purpose.